The iPhone 16e has already been released and you can grab it now starting at $599. The Google Pixel 9a is expected to be officially announced on March 19th with a starting price of $499 only. The iPhone 16e features that iconic Apple aesthetic with a tough aluminum frame and ceramic shield glass that's tougher than any smartphone glass out there. It's built for durability and it's got that premium feel, especially in its matte white and black finishes. The Google Pixel 9a is rumored to have plastic bag with a matte finish. This makes it feel lightweight and not as prone to fingerprints. And it got a compact camera module that keeps the bag sleek and clean. Now move on to the display. The iPhone 16e sports a 6.1-inch Retina display that's bright and vibrant. It's great for everyday use and is protected by ceramic shield glass for added durability. But the Pixel 9a comes in with a 6.3-inch OLED display, which means it's a bit brighter and has a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming much smoother. It's also really bright with up to 2700 nits for HDR content, which is great for outdoor use. Now let's talk about the performance. The iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, making it super fast and efficient. It can handle anything you throw at it, from gaming to productivity, and you will get that long-term performance Apple is known for. The Google Pixel 9a, on the other hand, is expected to run on the Tensor G4 chip, which should give some solid performance, especially in AI-driven tasks like voice recognition, photos, and other Google-specific features. Now camera. The iPhone 16e has a 48-megapixel Fusion camera that's really impressive, especially for a budget phone. You have got features like night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video recording. There is a 2x telephoto lens so you can zoom in without losing quality. The Google Pixel 9a sticking with a more minimal setup like 48 megapixel main sensor and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. While there is no telephoto lens, the camera should still produce solid shots. Especially Google's AI-driven photography is so strong. Battery life is crucial. iPhone 16e delivers up to 26 hours of video playback and super efficient power management thanks to that A18 chip. It also supports USB-C charging, which is great for convenience. And now the Google Pixel 9a comes with a 5100 mAh battery and supports 23 watts wired charging. While the charging speed isn't as fast as the iPhones, the larger battery will likely give you better endurance throughout the day. The iPhone 16e starts at $599, which is pretty solid for an iPhone with this much power and performance. If you are a fan of Apple's ecosystem and want that iPhone experience without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 9a, though it's rumored to start at just $499, which puts it in a super competitive spot for budget-conscious buyers looking for some solid performance at a cheaper price. Release dates again is iPhone 16 has already been released, so you can buy it now starting at $599, and the Google Pixel 9a is expected to be officially announced on March 19th with a starting price of $499. That's a rumored price. So there you have it, both the iPhone 16e and the Google Pixel 9a. And so there you have it. The iPhone 16e shines with its premium build, fast performance, and great camera features, while the Google Pixel 9a comes in at a more affordable price with solid AI features, larger battery, and a smooth 120Hz OLED display. Ultimately, it's come down to your personal preference. If you want a phone that's built to last with awesome performance, the iPhone 16e is your choice. But if you want something that gives you a big screen, smooth display, and great AI features at a lower price, then the Google Pixel 9a might be your best choice for your style. Please let me know which one you are leaning towards in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Catch you again in the next one. Bye bye.